Underneath the looming shadow of the Rust Belt Ridge lies the toxic murky waters, strange abandoned structures, and the husk graveyards of the Alcantara swamp. Yet, even in this wasteland, there is new life stirring. It's an Arcanthis, with defensive armor plating and a noticeably larger wingspan than her male counterparts. This female Arcanthis is well equipped to survive in this harsh environment. The smaller male, though quicker and more agile, lacks the protective armor and will stick near any dominant female for protection. Those that hunt alone don't last long. He searches the swamp for any movements or signs of food. His ultra-sensitive hearing can detect a tick's footsteps from nearly 200 meters away. He hears something. A Speranzian, a violent species that often hunts in packs. This one is alone. It has emerged prematurely from hibernation in search of food. The male Arcanthian closes in and alerts the rest of the swarm. Armed with deadly stingers that can wound at a range of 35 meters, they attack. The female sting contains a neurotoxin that stuns its prey. It is over in a matter of seconds. The Speranzian did not go down without a fight, and the female is wounded. She has lost one of her 4 wings, which will never grow back. Flying will be difficult, hunting nearly impossible. She lags behind the males, unable to keep up. It is not likely she will last till winter. But her eggs have already been laid, and a new life is just around the corner. Join us as we explore the fascinating landscape of the Rust Belt, full of wonder, danger, mystery, and discovery.